The convenience of Fetch. The anytime cleaning retriever provides the added value and convenience that today's demanding customers are looking for, and allows the dry cleaner to reduce or even eliminate retail staffing hours while operating 24/7. Walk up, then choose drop-off or pickup. Once drop-off is chosen, the customer will be asked to key in their phone number. The automatic door will be open and the customer is prompted to take the cleaning bag and place the clothes inside together with a ticket. The customer can then place the bag securely inside the kiosk, and the door will be closed automatically. A second ticket is also printed for the customer, and an electronic receipt will be sent to them via SMS as well. When a drop-off bag is transferred, the bag plunger will shove it away from the door so that the bags cannot stack up. The customer will receive a notice via SMS once the garment is ready for pickup. Once pickup is chosen, the customer will be asked to key in their phone number. They can then make payment through various available methods. Once the payment is successful, Fetch immediately begins delivering the clean orders to the kiosk cabinet. The conveyor brings the customer's items to the garment transfer unit, which removes it from the conveyor and delivers it to the kiosk door for the customer. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If the customer is not satisfied with the cleaning result, they can reject the item by hanging it back in the kiosk. The garment transfer unit removes the rejected item from the kiosk door and places it back onto the conveyor. Fetch is designed to work as an unattended drop store or in conjunction with a staff counter. The customer can present the ticket to the staff when picking up from the counter. When a pickup is entered by staff at a counter terminal, the conveyor delivers the order to the counter pickup point and displays the slot number containing the order. The system uses a state-of-the-art conveyor that can be configured to fit into most any space layout. Your system will be customized for your individual needs. Let Fetch, the anytime cleaning retriever, put on a friendly face for your business. Fetch Clean. Automation through innovation.